Tie up the nets after harvest in the fall so that they're underneath the cordon arms and they're out of the way. Start to turn purple, and once we see birds starting to attack, we unfurl the nets as the next step. Oops. And so we use these clips to fasten the nets. So one on this side over here and the other one. We bring them up and tie it in the middle. So I've attached one of the clips here. I'm now going to kind of lift this up, and then I would go ahead and fasten it to the net on the other side. So when you're done, this is what you end up with. So makes it more difficult for the birds to enter from the top. Now, what you need to make sure you do is close the holes at the bottom. So this right there, big enough for a bird to get in. So that's what takes a lot of time. We use these little twist tie things to tie the bottoms, and that around each trunk there, and that tends to work pretty well.